Okay. So we have here a pizza. Okay. So I slice the pizza in, let's say I slice it in six parts. Okay. Okay. So we have the six slice of pizza here, diba? So if I eat the two parts, kasi medyo matakaw si teacher, so he can eat two parts or two portion of the pizza. It can be, we can easily illustrate how many pizza or slice of pizza teacher eat. Okay? So how many parts did I eat? How many parts of the pizza did I eat? The two parts, diba? So if in making fraction, diba? I eat it two parts. Okay? Then in total, how many slices of pizza there is? Six. So kasama tong, diba, we have one, two, three, 4, 5, 6. There is 6 pieces of pizza. In denominator, we can put how many pieces in all, okay? So we have here 2 over 6 or 2, 6. So, okay.
It sounds like a game that I have in my iPad and I was learning it before, but for some reason I forgot about it.
Yes.
Because I haven't learned about it, but now we're learning. Because it's like a card game, and I was learning about that, but I still didn't know because honestly I didn't know when I made study, so
Okay.
now we're studying it.
Yeah. So, maybe many of you know about this, but we're going to study for the further knowledge, okay? So, these two, we call it numerator, okay? Everybody say numerator.
Numerator.
Numerator, okay? So, what is a numerator? So, on your book, on 287, there is a numerator. Tell us the number of equal parts that are identified, shaded, or painted. Yung numerator, ito yung part na, kunyari, kinuha natin, shinade natin, or there is a shaded part. So, like this one, in this pizza, how many part or how many shaded part we have? We have two parts, diba? So, in the numerator, we're going to tell, or we're going to write, or we're going to put how many the parts we shaded, or we identify, or we taken. Okay? So, in the numerator, doon natin nilalagay yung mga shaded part, yung mga kinukuha natin part, or halimbawa, in this pizza, I eat the two parts. So, we're going to put the two parts in the numerator. Okay? And this one, okay? Yung guhit, yung line. This line, we call it fraction bar. Okay? We call it fraction bar. Okay? Everybody say fraction bar.
Fraction bar. Fraction bar.
Okay. Si fraction bar, the only purpose of fraction bar is to separate the numerator and the denominator. Okay. Yung sineseparate niya si numerator pati si denominator. Also, si fraction bar, indicator siya or indicate that the operation used is division. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, pwede pala natin i-divide si 2 over 6 or 2 divided by 6. Okay? Si fraction bar, division din siya. It can tell us that is a division. Okay? So, we have a numerator now. We have a fraction bar. And also, we have this 6. We call it, yung number 6 natin or yung nasa lower part of our fraction, we call it denominator. Denominator. Everybody say denominator.
Denominator.
Okay.
Denominator.
Denominator. Okay? So, ang purpose ng denominator? So, denominator tell us the equal part or the whole part. Ibig sabihin sa denominator, bibilangin natin lahat kasama si shaded region and even the unshaded region. So, ilan ba lahat ng part ng pizza natin? How many parts of our pizza have?
Six.
6. So, involved, kasama, involved si shaded region and even the unshaded region. In total, we're going to put in the denominator. Total pieces of pizza, 6 pieces, di ba? So, in this fraction, we're going to put in this fraction, we have a numerator, a fraction bar, and the denominator, okay? So, in this part, we have 2 over 6. So, how can we read this one? We can read this one 2, 6. Okay? Pwede natin siyang basahin 2, 6. 2, 6. Okay? Yan. Pwede natin siyang basahin. We can read this as 2, 6 or pwede din 2 over 6. 2 over 6. Okay? 2, 6 or 2 over 6. Okay? So, how can you read this one?
2, 6 or 2/6.
Okay, 2, 6 or 2 over 6. Even any of those. Okay? Kahit sino sa kanila. We can read it as 2, 6 or 2 over 6. Okay? Is there any question or further question? Okay. So, if there's none, let's move. Okay, in this pizza, if I want to write it on the fraction, how can I write it in the fraction form? How many shaded region we have? Shaded region. Okay. So, good morning sa dyan. Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay. So,
Good
nagsisimula
morning.
pa na naman tayo. So, for the sake of
We're
say dyan,
almost, we're almost near being, um, we're almost there. We just need one more question.
okay. Say dyan, for the sake of say dyan, let's have a review lang muna. Okay, say dyan, we have a fraction.
Good morning, Sigan.
This 2, 6 or 2 over 6, we call it fraction. Say dyan. And the 2, we call it 2 as a numerator. Si numerator, lagi siya nasa upper part of the fraction. And si denominator, lagi siyang nasa lower part of the fraction. Yung nasa below the fraction bar, that is denominator. And the above of the fraction bar, that is a numerator. Okay? So, paano siya naging 2 over 6? In this pizza, we have the 2 shaded region. And these 2 shaded region, we put it as numerator. And totality, in total, we have 6 parts dito sa pizza. So, kaya nagkaroon tayo ng 2 over 6. Okay. In this part, so let's put or let's do a fraction bar, diba? Yan, meron na tayong fraction bar. So, in numerator, what number can we put on the numerator? Sa numerator, yung nasa
One.
taas, diba? Why 1?
1.
Bakit 1?
Just 1. Because, it is just shaded 1. Because it's just 1.
Okay. So, good morning. Sino ba yung pumasok?
Ella.
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 Bakit ay, Maria Sofia. Parehas kayong Sofia. Okay. So, nalito ako kay diba, may ka-Ella, may kapangalan na MM, diba? So, Sofia yung nakalagay. Okay? Then, isa naman Maria Sofia. So, kaya nalito ako. Okay? So, why 1? You said it because the shaded region is only 1. That is correct. So, we put 1 in the numerator. Okay? In the numerator, we're going to put 1. How about in the denominator? What number we're going to write on the denominator? 6. So,
8.
yun. Haylene said 8. So, let's count it. If there is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 siya, hindi siya 6, diba? We're going to count all. Okay? So, siguro, kanina kasi 6 yung ginamit natin, diba?
Another number.
So, we have 1. How can we read this one? Fraction.
1 8.
Okay, 1/8. Or di kaya, we read
Minus
it as
1
1/8.
over 6. And 1 over 8.
Yan, 1/8. Or di kaya, 1/8. Okay? 1/8 or di kaya 1/8.
Good
Okay?
morning, pa teacher. Good morning.
Good morning, Ella.
Gusto po.
Okay? Or the other one is 1/8. Okay? 1 over.
Today is because I don't.
Okay, everybody say 1/8.
1 over 8. 1 over 8.
Okay. So, this is 1/8 because our shaded region is 1 and the whole part is 8 parts. So, we write it as 1/8. Do you understand? Do you get it? Okay?
Apa.
Natusundan pa naman. So, let's have a square naman. So, how many shaded region we have in this square?
1.
One.
1.
And let's put a fraction bar. Our numerator is 1, then the fraction bar. Then what is our denominator?
4.
4.
4.
Yan, 4. So, how can we read this one?
1 for 1 for 1 over 4.
Okay, 1/4.
1 for
Yan, or 1/4. 1/4. However, over 4. Okay? 1/4. 1/4 or 1/4. Okay? Maalin sa dalawa, 1/4 or 1/4. So, thumbs up nga if you follow up. Okay. So, current picture.
Elena?
No? It is easy or hard?
It's easy.
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 Super easy ba?
Yes.
So, I make it harder. What do you see?
Circles. A bunch of circles. Circles or six balls. One circle, one circle, one. Like I want to eat them.
Why?
They're like candy oranges.
Why?
Like,
Iniit ba ang
candies
circle?
or orange. Black.
Pag circle, we're going to eat.
And then we're gonna put white on the top. And then let's put another circle. It's an Oreo.
Oreo?
But
How?
make it look like a cherry. A cherry. Why I want a cherry? I want a cherry. Cherry. There's a blueberry and cherry.
Blueberry and cherry? Ganun ba yon?
Yes.
Okay.
Blueberry and cherry leaves or blue raspberry.
Okay. So,
Like an Oreo.
blue part. Let's say on the blue part muna. Sa blue part tayo. How can I write it in the fraction if I tell the only blue part?
3.
3. 3 over what?
3 over 4. 3 over 4. 3 over
3 over 4.
3 over 3. 3 over
Our numerator is 3. How about the denominator?
3 over
3.
3.
Not yet 3.
4 or 3.
Not 4. 0. So, okay class. Our denominator never be 0. Okay. 7. Okay. Very good. 7. Why 7?
3 plus 4 is 7.
Okay. Because the whole circle, diba ang denominator natin? So, ang denominator natin is the total of all. Okay? Yung total nila lahat. So, how many circle we have? We have 7 circles. And we only get the blue parts. So, how many is our blue part? Only 3, diba?
3.
Kaya, in our denominator, we have 3. And in the numerator, we have 3. And the denominator, we have 7 because we have 7 circles all. Okay?
Teacher, wait, teacher, I'm gonna go get my water.
Okay. Make it faster, okay? Okay, so never confused by that ha, na we're going to count all, even the red ones. Okay, because in the denominator that is the total. Okay, so all is everyone is belong in the denominator. Okay, and the numerator is only what part we're going to get or we identify. Okay, so if we have the blue part, then let's say what is the red part?
The red part are
Four.
four.
4 over what?
Four over seven. Four
Okay,
over seven.
very good. That is 4 over 7. Okay, this is fun. Yes. So the red part is 4 over 7. So never confuse. Huwag po kayo confuse. Sino nako-confuse pa? Wala na. May nalilito ka ba? Wala. Okay. So,
Opo.
okay. So, let's have another one. What if I tell the quotient of 5 and 9? Okay? When we say fraction, okay? When we say fraction, that is also a division. And what is the answer of division? That is called quotient, okay? So, kapag nakakita tayo ng quotient, and when we say the quotient of 5 and 9, so that is also a fraction. We can write it as fraction, okay? So, when we say the quotient of 5 and 9, so this is a fraction also or division. So, we can say that 5 over 9, okay? Only the first or what comes first, that will be our numerator and the denominator. Okay. So the quotient of 5 and 9. So we can write it as 5 over 9. Did you get it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, pa.
So that will be our quotient. The 5 and 9. So 5 nines. So paano natin binabasa to? We can read it as 5 nines. 5
Or
nines.
5/9.
Yes, and 5 over 9. Mas madaling basahin pag over, no? 5 over 9. Over 9.
Like a score. It's like a score when you are in a quiz or an secret.
Okay. That is 5 nines or 5 over 9. Okay?
Teacher,
Yes.
do you know it's Isa's birthday?
Isa. Ah, kapatid ni MM.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Today,
Happy birthday to your sister.
happy birthday to your sister.
Yes.
Happy
Is,
birthday,
she
sister.
is your little sister, diba?
How old is your sister now?
Little sister ni MM. Okay? Bakit hindi nagalaw si MM sa akin? Nagalaw din ba sa inyo si MM?
Naglalaglag.
Ako ba? Ako ba nagalaw din sa inyo?
Yes. No. Yes, yes. It's like Isa is 7 years old.
Ah, wow. So, do you have handa-handa? Handa-handa.
Yes, for teacher.
Wow.
It will be on 21.
Ah.
I wanna go to Wawa. I know. We're always going to Wawa, but I don't know MM's house. I don't really know where MM's house is.
Saan ba bahay ni MM? Where is your house, MM? Malapit saan?
I remember when we always passed by her house, but I forgot. So that's what.
Okay.
I'm 39 years. Christmas.
Okay. So, what we have here?
Christmas.
What is this?
Huh? One, two, three, four,
Do you know what is this?
oh, 12. I don't know, some blueberries
Blueberries.
and raspberries again. Or some little dots that like are raspberries and some of the leaves. What's there? And some where am I? Where am I?
Where
I
am
think
I?
I'm lost. Where
Oh,
how's it?
okay. So, how can you write in fraction? So, type it on the chat box, okay? If I'm
Okay.
going to tell the, wait lang, dito kasi hindi,
Game in the chat box.
yes, on the chat box,
Wait, no one can do this. How
okay?
many to do? Wait.
Okay.
Three?
So,
There's a
sasabihin ko
lot
din
of
sa chat
do.
box, ha? So, the blue parts,
The blue part first.
yes,
Okay.
that is,
Um, I can do.
kita niyo ba? Is it clear the color?
Try something on.
Okay.
Try.
On the chat box, okay? So, I can see it on the chat box.
There's something there. I don't know.
Okay.
For me,
I going to recolor it para mas kita niyo.
wait. It said 4/12. I don't know. Kailan you're wrong. It should be 5, but you corrected it. Because I didn't see the other
Okay.
blue one. So,
So, you can answer like this na lang, ha? 5 over the slash,
because
okay?
there is something when I go
Okay.
to the screen and it shows something in that it's when I go near it that it turns really dark so I didn't see it for some
Okay.
reason.
So, that is 5 over 12. So, you can type it as slash, okay? Yan, katulad ng kay Say dyan. Slash na lang. So, that is signify as fraction, 5 over 12. Okay, so all of you, okay naman, very good.
Can
So,
we
if
now
I
do
tell is,
the can we
yes,
now do the red? I want to do the red.
okay, what if I tell the yellow parts?
Okay.
No, bilis mag-type ah. Okay, so that is 2 over 12. Is that all? One, 2, 3, 4. There is someone not answering or typing.
Regan, MM. Manso.
Oh,
MM.
nainom pa ata si
Answer
MM.
and
MM is
we
here
need
or
to
nainom pa si
answer the
MM?
chat box.
Nainom pa ata si
Where is
MM.
MM? MM.
Okay.
It's
Yan. The
number
correct
2.
answer is 2 over 12. Very good. So, what if I tell... Ano ba tinanong ko? Yellow, di ba? Yellow. What
Yeah.
if I tell
There's
the
a
color red?
family.
How about the color red?
I'm doing the slash because it's not so easy.
It's so easy. Yes, I think it's too
Yep.
easy for you.
And then why don't you want that?
3 over 12. Tunay ba? Red? Tatlo lang ba yung red?
John, that's wrong. Oh,
Ano
no, we're
sagot ni
all
Sai?
wrong. We're all wrong, guys. We're all wrong. I only say that. Wait, what?
Why?
No. Yeah. No, wait, what? Wait,
Red?
what did teacher? What did teacher? Teacher, you said red. We're all correct. You
Yes.
said red.
I
We're
said
all
red.
correct. We're all correct. You said red. Correct. You said red.
You confused, no?
The last one is green.
Yes. I said red. So red is 3. So that is 3 over 12. Okay? So what if I tell red and blue?
Red and blue. And blue?
Yes,
No, I
red and
don't.
blue.
No. And
So count carefully.
wait. Teacher, 8
Yes.
of 12.
Yes, tama si Kristan.
Again, listen.
So,
Wait, look at you.
so you're going to add the red and the
I
blue one.
wasn't confused. I was something with my finger.
Yes.
Okay.
So, red and blue is, so yan, very good. So, sa'yo dyan,
I want to learn
then
some
pati
more.
Kristan. So, very good. Kaylin and Ella, that is 8 over 12.
Good
Not
job,
7.
Kristen.
Not 7, okay? Siguro, hindi nakita ni Pipa yung isang blue. Okay? Is that clear to you?
Why blue is red so that becomes red? No. I'm confused.
So, is that clear all to you? So, how to get the
Then
fraction? Okay. Now,
I think we're gonna answer the page 280 to 290.
288, there is nothing to answer it. But 289. So,
Correct.
listen this. This is for 289. Get your book and turn your book on 289.
Teacher, wait, I'll get my book.
Okay?
Teacher, I keep staring at the screen when you're having class. I already aling po dito. I keep forgetting my book. Wait, teacher, are we going to write the same thing?
Yes, but you're going to count only the shaded region. Do you know what is a shaded region? Ay, the shaded part?
The shade part.
Yes,
Okay.
the one with the color,
Wait,
diba? For
so we just
example,
need to answer one question. Teacher, are
yes,
we going to write how many shaded one? And
yes,
then going to write it in the box?
yes. For example, this is for example in number 1. So this is not the number 1, but this is for example. So how many circle did you see? Yeah.
More. These are
Wait,
so easy.
really?
Yeah.
So make sure you are all perfect,
Teacher,
diba? So
teacher, how are we gonna do it?
this will be
We're
2
gonna have the
over
shaded
5.
part.
Yes.
And then,
So you see the shaded part and you see the unshaded part, diba? So you're going to count the shaded part and put it on the numerator and the whole that will be the denominator. For example, like this one, how many shaded part we have? 2. So the fraction will be 2 over 5. Okay? And on page
teacher,
289,
how are we gonna do let teacher, I'm done. I'm done. I'm going to do letter B. Teacher, teacher, I'm done.
letter A lang, letter A. Only letter A, 1
One,
to
one,
6.
four.
1 to 6. Yes, group work, 1 to 6.
Teacher, natapos button C to I want to do letter A. Letter B.
Yes.
It's easy.
Letter A, letter A, 1 to 6 lang. Okay?
Easy.
Page
Easy.
289.
I like it. It's so easy.
So, if you are done, type done on
Teacher,
the
I'm done.
comment section.
Teacher, I'm done.
If you are done,
I'm
type
done
done so
already.
I know that you are done. Okay?
Um, It's so easy to try teacher. I never teacher had favorite book. I don't have my book.
You don't have book?
Going to the huh?
Ella, you don't have book?
I have po. I was just getting it po.
Ngayon mo lang nakuha. Okay? So, turn your book on page 289.
289?
Yes, 289.
We already answered it. You know what, teacher? I was like this. I was counting so fast and we just went to the and was right. Just right. I was first complete
Okay.
teacher. I was first
So,
complete.
wait lang muna. Okay, nandiyan ka na ba, Ella? Okay.
Kaya po pala napagod tapos.
Okay. So, kung tapos na kayo, type done na. Ella, sa page 289, yes, bago may group work dyan, letter A, group work, letter A. So, like what you see on the whiteboard, nakikita mo ba yung whiteboard?
I already write. Wait, are we going to write the like 4 over like um 5/9 like that?
Yes, like
Like
that. Okay?
Like
Like ano? 5/9. So, 1 to 6 yung sasagutan, Ella, then 289 to 290 yon. Yung shaded part lang ang ating sasagutan, diba? Katulad nito, katulad na nasa screen natin, diba? How many shaded parts? Okay. May I see? Wait, hindi ko makita si... Okay. Yan, okay, like that, okay? So, answer 1 to 6.
Teacher, tapos na ako pa 289 to Please everyone done.
Okay, so... Okay,
Done.
Kristan, wait na lang natin yung iba mong classmate na matapos din. Wait na lang natin sila. May sound trip, ah.
Please mute.
Yes.
You know what, teacher? They said here in Dubai, they said that it's like a desert before. That's why it's too hot and there's so many sand.
Yes. This also too hot,
Maybe.
pero naulan-ulan na lang bigla. Lakas ang ulan kagabi, no?
Teacher, like yesterday. But there's no sun last night. Just yesterday night. It was super loud. It was thundering.
Yes. Bago ng
But
lo...
I didn't suffer from that. But I can Dubai.
You are in Dubai. When do you go in here, Philippines? Hindi na kayo uwi sa Philippines?
But I'm not going to tell you.
Hmm.
But after going to the Philippines, I'm going back again. Teacher, wait, I'm gonna go with that.
Okay. So, are all done? No. It's still answering. So, I'm done. Tita done?
I'm done.
Okay. Wait na lang natin yung other classmates. Are you done, Ella?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How about you, Saijan? Are you done, Saijan?
You know what, teacher?
Okay.
It's mostly happening
Okay.
every day. Just mute. It's just. Can you please mute? We can hear you. Done.
Okay. Done na lahat? So, Okay, done na ba
Miss
lahat?
Pan, can you please, Pigeon, can you please mute?
Okay, so let's check na if you are all done na. Okay? So, tapos ka na ba, Saijan? Ay, hindi pa pala. Wait natin si Saijan. Hindi pa pala tapos si Saijan.
Teacher, I'm done.
Okay. Okay, so let's check your answer. So, in number 1, anong sagot niya sa number 1?
5/9 or 5/9.
Okay, 5/9. Is that all your answer in number 1? 5/9?
5 minus just 5.
Yes. So, your answer must be 5/9. Because how many all that shapes? We have see
Teacher,
9 circle, diba? So,
teacher, is it okay if it's like 2 and then teacher, is it okay? Teacher, should we put like 5 in a line and after that 9?
yes. So, like this one.
I'm
5
correcting number 1.
over 9, okay?
But
So,
I write down just 5 or number
ah,
1.
you only write 5. Okay.
Yes,
So,
because you said you only write down the answers. That's only the ones that that have the
ah,
shaded.
okay.
So we just answered 5, 4, 9,
Okay.
1,
So, your answer must be in fraction. And the fraction is the shaded region. Okay. That's why I tell you only get the shaded region, but in the fraction form. So, rewrite your answer and make it in the fraction form. Okay.
This is
So,
already number 1.
okay. So, number 1, 5 lang. So, that must be 5/9. Kailangan naka-fraction form tayo. So, for example, ang sagot sa number 1 is 5/9. Okay?
Where
Make
is
a,
it? 5.
yes.
The
So,
long is 5, just 5. No 9 family.
rewrite your answer, right? I will give you time to rewrite your answer.
Maybe quite a line for teacher.
Yes. That, your answer must be 5/9.
Teacher, is the line, is it up? Is it down or like this?
No, that must be horizontal. Straight horizontal, okay?
Horizontal or this? Oh, this. Teacher, should we write it? Should we write like the one that we write on the screen?
Yes.
Make it up inside the box.
Yes. That must be inside the box.
Oh God, it's hard. Teacher, I am. Let's click it like this right now.
Yan. Horizontal line. Okay?
Let's like see some of the other things. Um, but I'm just fixing it. The thing.
Please mute daw.
Done po.
Okay. So, tingnan ko nga kung magagawa natin. Yan. Okay naman pala. Kita nyo naman pala. Okay.
Teacher, what are you showing po?
Yung book.
Yes po, what are you showing? What are you showing po, teacher?
That is the book. Para meron naman tayong ano. Okay. Stop sharing na muna. Okay. So, in number 1, let's go on number 1. Okay. So, pwede na ba tayo magsagot? This is the number 1, diba? So, how many, what is the answer number 1? 5 over 9. Here, if we count all the circles, we have 9. So, the denominator should be 9. And how many the shaded region? Shaded part. Lagi ng region. Shaded part is 5. Shaded part is 5. So, the answer is 5 over 9. Okay? So, you must answer 5 over 9. Okay? Then, dito naman tayo.
Ready for teacher? I fixed the other one.
Okay.
In case.
So, how many all the boxes?
12. 12. 12. Yes, 12. Then the
12.
shape part is 6.
So, 12. Then, how many is the shaded part?
6.
6. So, what is the answer?
6 over 12.
6 over 12. Okay, very good. So, the answer is 6 over 12. Okay? So, check on your notebook ha if you are correct.
Notebook?
Ay, sa book pala. Sorry. On your book. Sorry. So, yes, chechikan.
Case.
What shape is this?
Diamond. Triangle. I don't know.
Triangle. That's right. That is triangle.
There is 10.
Is that 10? Okay.
It's number.
Okay, very good. Hey, Pipa, sit properly. Okay. So, the answer number 3 is, ano yun? 4 over 10. Very good. So, that will be 4 over 10. How many stars?
7 over 12.
How many stars?
7 over
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. And the shaded star is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, very good. That number 5 is 7 over 12. Very good. So, 7 over 12.
Picture number 4.
Yes. Number 4 is 4 over 10. Okay. Number 5, that is 7 over 12. Okay? Ay, number 5 pala yon. Sorry. Number 5 pala yon. Number 4, ito pala number 4. Yes. Sorry.
It's 4 over 10. 4 over 10.
Number 4, yes. This is number 4, this is 4 over 10.
What is number 5?
Number 5, 7 over 12.
12? 6
Yes.
over 13. I'm wrong.
Number 5, 7 over 12. This one, yung the star. Okay.
For the trying, for the diamonds, it's 4 over 10.
Yes. This one. This diamond, 4 over 10. And this is number 4, diba? So, dito naman, number 5 tayo. The star 1, yung star shape, that is 7 over 12. The last one, 6. What shape is this?
6 over 12. Don't know. 6 over 13. 6 over 13.
Okay, bilangin nga natin ilan lahat yung
13.
house, para siyang house shape eh, diba? So, that is all 13. Then, how many the shaded part? 6. So, what is the answer?
6/13.
Okay. 6 over 13. Okay. So that's
I
all.
already fixed all of them. I have 5/6. Okay.
So, okay. So, how many get perfect?
Me.
Sino? Thumbs up doon sa mga naka-perfect.
I
Okay.
have. Oh, wait. Me.
Okay.
I was wrong at number 5. I thought it was 11. Teacher,
Ah,
can
1,
we
2, 3,
do
4,
the
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
letter
11.
B?
Okay.
I wanna do
Okay. In letter B, so look carefully like this one. Ay, ano na? Yan. Did you see my face again?
Yes.
Um,
Hello. Hello.
yeah. Did you miss me? Oh.
You were for letter B, so you were just showing the book.
Ah. Sorry.
It's like are we going to do letter B? Hey.
Okay. This is how we're going to do the letter B. For example, we have, so listen carefully ha. For example,
The book is like super. Can you please put me down? I don't want to show my face now. You
uh,
show your face. Teacher, are we going to do letter B?
yes, that this is how we're going to do it. So listen carefully.
Are we gonna draw a circle on the line or
Yes, it's depend upon the direction, okay? So,
teacher, why is it already 7?
okay. Yes, because it continue of the letter A. That's why we start at letter 7. So, kindly read what is on the whiteboard.
5, 6. 5, 5. All the shapes are circles.
Oh, ano 6? There is no
Okay,
6.
so we are going to write 5 shapes.
Ah, okay.
Try like this, pa.
Wait, I didn't see it. Nasaan ka?
Wait.
Okay, yan, like that. Hindi, no. The other shape must not be circle. For example, like this one. 5 shapes, 2 fifths of the shapes are circle. It means the only two parts or the only two parts or the only two shapes is circle. So I will draw circle. Only two circle. And the other shapes is not circle. So I will draw 3 triangles. Okay? It's depend upon you what shapes are you going to do. So overall, there's only 2
Teacher,
over
are we
5.
going to color it?
No, you can ayos lang kahit wala ng kulay. It is okay if there is no color. But the important is the shape. Okay? So you're going to do number 7, 9, 8, and 10. Number 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay?
Teacher, can you do what we want to do with the shapes, like heart, triangle, diamond, like
Yes.
that?
Okay. But
Can
most
you
important, what is given? For example, yes. For example here, 2 fifths of the shapes are circle. So you must draw the circle 2 parts of the 5. Okay? In number 8, you need to draw a square. The 5 parts is a square. In number 9, circle again. In number 10, circle again. Okay? Did you
So,
understand?
teacher, wait, so we need to just like two circles and like three different shapes.
Yes. And the other 3 is the different shapes other than
Teacher,
circle.
number 9 is missing po.
No?
No,
Number 9?
number 9 is missing.
There is
Yeah.
number
What part
9.
is number 9 I was confused. I was confused. Number 9 is beside number 10. No,
Okay,
no,
okay.
no.
So you start answering now.
Number 9 is on top of 10.
Yes.
And,
Nagulat,
and,
nagulat ako, ha? Nawawala si number 9? Saan nagpunta si
teacher,
9?
whatever shape we teacher, whatever shape we want.
Yes, whatever shape you want.
Which I already did all of them by ano. Pwede po circle.
Okay. Pero titingnan nyo din, like this one, look at this one. Kasi, sa number 8, anong sabi sa number 8?
8 waves. Sabi number 8 of a shape or square.
Okay, so the number 5 must be a square, diba? Kailangan may square pa din doon, okay? So, read carefully in the direction, okay?
Teacher.
Yes?
Every time shape mo one shape na nuklete.
Okay. Kahit, kahit anong shape, Tristan, basta merong,
I didn't do any shape po. Unang teacher ko I did. Kasi ko, what is square parang sa maton sa ano, pwede noon.
yes, pwede yon. Pwede yung Tristan.
Teacher,
Pwede.
in number 8, we need to write squares.
Okay. Pipa, is that correct? Is that 3 over 4?
Yes, because it shows 4. Yours is mostly 3.
But the circle is only 2. There must be 3 circles, diba? 3 circles, then,
Teacher, I'm done.
okay, wait natin yung iba.
With 3 circles. Teacher, where will we send?
Mamaya nyo na lang isend. Kapag katapos ng klase natin, saka nyo na lang isend sa aking messenger, okay? Then, yung assignment sa Google Classroom.
Teacher, look what I did. I didn't do any shape. Teacher, is this correct?
May I see?
Sir, yung paglalagay ko po, pabox.
Okay.
Teacher, look what I did. Is this like this po, teacher?
Yes, that is correct. Okay.
Teacher, look what I did.
May I see? Ah, you only shaded it. Okay.
You shouldn't say it like that.
Yes.
Um,
You shade. That must be other shapes.
okay, then we got what? What is that sound? Can you please negatively explain that the background noise please close your mic? Okay, thank you. Teacher, I'm done.
Okay.
Then, teacher, do you have homework?
Yes, of course. We have.
What page?
Later. Okay. Who's still answering?
Not me. I'm done.
Okay.
I think I did it right. Right? Teacher, this is right.
Wait, may I see?
Teacher, I'm done.
Okay, that is right. That is correct.
This one?
I see. Okay, that is correct. Is that a diamond?
Yes, diamond. And I finished.
I see, say dyan.
Teacher,
Okay. I mean, triangle.
I know I
Okay.
was right. Teacher,
May I see? Okay, that is correct. Bakit parang ang daming figure naman na sa'yo sa dyan kanina? Patingin nga ng iyo sa dyan again. That is right, Miss Tan. Yes, ay dyan. Para malalaki lang yung mga shapes ng iyo, kaya mukhang madami.
eto, malalaki na.
Ah. So, pwede na ba tayo magsagot? Are all done? Hindi pa. Wait natin yung iba niyong classmates.
Who is done? Pagan, I was done, and then who is done too?
Ano ba next lesson natin?
Teacher, can I please go to the comfort room? I need to go.
Okay, make it faster.
Okay.
Okay. Are you done, Tipa? Okay. So, yan ang ginagawa mo. Pinuputol yung lubid. Lubid ba yan?
What are you thinking, teacher?
I'm just seeing to other, just looking around.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
He's looking for ice cream.
Okay,
On
can
the
we check it
apple.
na? Pwede naman na tayo mag-check.
I think still not done. You're still not yet done. This is a simple thing, and you're not yet done. Hey, it's hard to draw. Hey, yo. Want to draw a happy face? I'm bored because I'm just waiting. Uh, I think teacher is looking for ice cream, Valhalla, and some cold food.
Feeling you live in Dubai, is that Allen house near to your house?
Yes, a little far, but not that too far.
Ah,
Yeah.
so, you see
He's the
Allen,
cutest. He's the youngest in the family.
you see Allen.
Teacher, I think he wants some food. I got also I also have one more younger cousin that is kind of older than him.
Is Allen your cousin?
Yes.
Ah, oh.
That's why he is in the same school.
Ah,
In grade two. Going to grade three.
Allen is
He
now
was
grade
there
2?
at this yes. He was in first grade, now he's in grade two. Going to grade three.
Yeah.
Teacher
Ah,
like this. You even don't recommend the topic.
okay, let's check it out.
Teacher like this? You
Yes.
know what teacher? Teacher, I'm not done yet.
Ah, okay.
Teacher, wait. I will touch my laptop.
Ah,
Yes,
okay.
look at my background. Nice. You know, teacher, Alan is really smart. He knows even how to spell and read. He knows how to spell and read. He don't know how young he is. He left me when he was only three. My son is one.
Okay, silence na muna. Other is also answering ka.
Look at
Okay?
mine.
Oh, I see French fries. I'm,
Mm,
I'm starved now.
Me too. I can't stop staring at Kristen's side. I can't like McDonald's. Yeah, I'm done.
Okay.
Finally!
Ella, are you
Who's
done,
done
Ella?
here? Yes, pa, but just wait because I'm charging my laptop. Michelle,
Ah,
this is so cool.
ano?
Oh yeah, we're going to be hungry. We're going to school.
What is that?
A fruit?
A fruit?
Yeah.
Okay, let's
We're
check it
going to
out na.
school.
In number 1, how many circle are we going to draw? Why 2?
Three? Three. We're
We
going
need
to
to
draw
draw
three.
3 circles,
Three.
diba? So, let's
Three.
draw
Yeah.
1 circle, 2 circle,
One
3
circle, one
circle. So, how
circle.
many other shapes we're going to draw?
One.
Only one. So, for example, we have
Yeah,
triangle.
one.
So, I put triangle. So, this is the correct answer. So, if your answer
They
is not
just,
triangle,
they
that is
just
all
said
okay.
four.
Okay. So, the answer must be like this one. Only one triangle na lang or one other shape na lang yung ating i-drawing. Kasi,
Hey,
dahil,
teacher, that's the same thing in my book.
okay. So, take a picture of your answer and send it later to me para ma-checkan ko. Okay? So, kasi mamaya, iba't iba kasi tayo yung shape na ginamit, diba? There is other shape that we use. But the sure things, we need to have a three circles, okay? Kailangan may three circles tayo, and that is the sure things, okay? So, next one, how many squares we're going to draw? It says that we need 8 shapes, and 5 over 8 of the shapes are squares. So, how many square are we need to draw?
5.
5 square. Very good. So, we need to draw 5 square.
Teacher, I draw 3 diamonds.
Okay, very good. 3 diamonds. How about the others?
Mine is 3 hearts.
3 hearts. While about the others?
Message mo na po yung pagpipicturean namin.
Ay, hindi. Sa messenger nyo ipapasa, okay? Then, how about the others? Ano yung drawing ng iba?
For number 9, I draw 7 diamonds and
Number 8 muna tayo. Only number 8 muna.
number 9, I only drew circles.
So, for example, we draw other 3 circles. So, this will be circles, okay? So, we have 5 square and also we have 3 circles na lang to complete the 8 shapes, diba? Kailangan 8 shapes lang meron tayo dito kasi 8 lang naman yung over, diba? 5 over 8, so it means that all shapes must be 8 counts, okay? So, number 9. How many circles are we going need to draw?
7.
7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And what is the other shape you draw?
I draw 5 hearts.
5 hearts. How about Kaylin? What other shapes you draw?
I draw a diamond.
Diamond. How about you, MM? What other shapes you draw?
I didn't have anything in mind, so I just decided a diamond. Draw circle. I keep following instructions.
So, we only have 5 diamonds na lang dito. 5 diamonds. Okay? So, this will be the answer. So, we have 7 circles and 5 diamonds. Number, okay? Tingnan nyo ha. Take a screenshot nyo para meron kayo namang sagot in case na mali siya.
I already did. That's so sparkly. That's so sparkly, teacher.
So, we have 15 shapes. We need only 15 shapes. And 8 over 15 of the shapes are circles. So, how many circles we're going to draw?
8.
8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you remember the song I sing to you? Yung small circle, small circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yun, bago nabubuhay. Okay, then how many other shapes you're going to draw?
7.
7. What shapes are you draw? You draw rectangle. How about you, Kaylin? What other shapes you draw?
I didn't do any other shapes. I just mostly write I drew circles. Triangle, circle, and hearts.
Okay.
And squares. That's
How about you,
the
Seijan? What other shapes, Seijan, you draw?
alien look. This is what I did. Circle, triangle.
Circle at triangle. How about you, Kristan? What other shapes you draw?
Can I just put this?
Okay.
Keep her
Rectangle.
That's okay if the shapes are different than the one that it
Okay.
says like
Number 10 na tayo,
unique
Kristan. Okay.
circle.
Square. Square pati
Picture.
circle.
Picture
Okay.
number 9. I didn't write circle in it. I only write circle. But this is only if I could, write different ones more than
So, we're
circle.
going to draw another 7 other shapes. So, I draw heart. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
One, six,
6, 7. 7 nga, diba? So, let's count if there is 15 shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, total of 15 shapes. So, we have 8 circles and 7 hearts. Okay? So, send your answer, your activity, yung letter A and letter B on my messenger. Okay? Send it on
and
my messenger so I can record it. Okay?
picture right now.
So, you can send it later, but it is better
I
if
want
it
right
right
now.
now. Okay? Katulad ni Saijan. Saijan send it agad. Okay? So, do you understand what our lesson for today?
Yes.
Okay.
It's the
So, your assignment will be page 229.
229.
Ay,
General
291, sorry.